everybody, this is Todd Mitchell for today. Today is what, Monday, July 28th. And as you can see, this market's gotten hit pretty hard today so far. Look at this. Market opened up right in here. We've traded down quite a bit. And now I believe it's time to step in. Market has hit a key trade zone, and I believe this market's going to pop up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to buy this market. Let's just buy it, place a market order, okay? Let's do a limit order of 1961.5, okay? We'll buy it at 1961.5 right there. Look for a little pullback here. 61.5. There we go. I'm going to buy 20. All right. That's there. 61.5. So we're look at it, 62.25. We just want to see a little pullback here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Here, let's get rid of this. I'm just, hold on. Okay, instead we're going to buy 10 at 62 even, right there, right at the low of this bar here. And then if it comes down, I'll buy more, okay? So it's 62.25 now. We're looking to buy it at 62.25. Again, I believe this market is going to stage a little rally here, and I want to be a part of that. So instead of just buying it at the market and trying to chase this market, I'm looking for a pullback, 62 even limit. All right, and let's just draw some fibs from this level up to here. So definitely we are looking for the market to rally up. I would say at about 65.5. Now it's getting away. Yes, it's getting frustrating. I should have probably bought a smaller amount at the market just to be a part of this move. But let's be patient. Let's see if we can get a little pullback here. I think this is the extent of the down move. Yes, we've scared everybody. We got a big drop this morning. But what you need to learn is that out of panic, there are great trade setups. And the market's dropped into what I believe is a key trade zone. And it's all about trade location. And so you don't want to chase the market. I was a little, look at up to 63 here. So I've moved it up to 62.5 right now, as you can see. Now we're getting the rally, right? So I'm missing this move. That can be frustrating. I'm sure all of you have gone through this, right? You knew that the market was going. You were a little late. And let's just see. Look, we're up to 63, 63.25. I'm at 62.5. Let's see if we can get this little pullback that I'm looking for. And then we can get the bigger move to the upside here. All right, folks, take a look at this. Market's already run up to 64 even. We were trying to get long at 61.5. Remember that? 61.5 to get long. If I had been able to get filled at 61.5, I would have been taking a portion off at about 64, and I would have been patient to wait for even a bigger run, okay? So now the question remains, do I keep a buy limit in at 62.5, or do I pull this order and reevaluate the situation? I think the latter. I think we just cancel this order right now, okay? We just take that out of the market like we just did, and we reevaluate this, okay? Again, remember, what I said was when I first started this video, 61.5 was the buy. That was the key trade location. 61.5 right there was the long signal, okay, based on the key trade zones that Craig Hill and I teach in the opening bell income strategy. Again, market opened up right here and then dropped considerably into a beautiful zone where we should bounce at least to that 38. But again, it's all about trade location, and the key trade location was 61.5. One of the reasons why I was late is because we had a huge power outage here in Michigan, and so the office building that I work out of here the power was down just until about 10 minutes before I started this video for you, and so that's why the lateness here. So we missed that trade. Again, if I had been filled at 61.5, that would have been a 2.5 pointer on, I would say, 50% of the position, and the remainder would have been at break even. So since the remainder would be at break even, I'm not going to look to do anything right now. I'm going to let this go and end the video. Hope that was helpful. Again, when you get a substantial move like you got today, okay, again, market opened up lower today at 1972.5, right? 1972.5. Actually, pretty much unchanged, right? Friday's close, the 25th close, closed at 1971. It opened today at 72.5, opened up higher, and then came down. Look at this. Let me just show you what happened here. Right? We closed right here. We opened here for about 9-12 minutes. We consolidated, and then we dropped. Okay? A nice run to the downside. Okay? We hit some support right in here. Right, the 1963 3/4 bounced up from 63 3/4 to 67, and then dropped even further down to this level. I got my power about right here. Started the video right in here. Wanted to buy it at 61.5. Again, missed opportunity, and it would be a break even right now. Would have captured about 2 to 2.5 points on half of my position. So I'm going to call it a day right now, and I'll be back with you tomorrow morning to kind of recap of what transpired the rest of the day, okay? Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow.